Has no patience. Look at this.
Morning. Good
Morning!
morning. I can't even speak. It was the first gym session we've done in a week.
Too long.
Too long. It's Tuesday, the 2nd of October, and we're going back to university. We're starting our final year of university. We're not thrilled about it, we're not even remotely even excited about it, but we're doing it. We need to go home, have a shower, have some breakfast, and try and be a bit more awake and breathe more. Yay! Good morning everybody. The washing machine is going on. Sorry I stupidly put it on before I got in the shower. So the time is currently 8:20 in the morning. We start university at 10, but we're going to go to Borough Market because I need to shoot a campaign there. So I'm just going to quickly have my breakfast. I've got some granola, some milk, some fruit and some wheaty things from Aldi, which are very nice. And a cup of green tea. Good tip for any university students. Take some tea bags to uni. Obviously you can't take coffee. Literally just saying, morning. We take tea bags, you don't have to buy tea. And you've got tea for free. So I packed us some tea bags.
Oh, amazing.
Dara said, by the way. Morning. Oh.
Morning all.
That was a nice chest shot there.
Thank you.
Have you charged your laptop?
No, but I've got a charger. Oh, dear.
I haven't got my charger. Right, I'm going to grab it. Just excited for a coffee. So me and Zara came to Borough Market. It's 9:10 in the morning. Basically I need to get a photo next to some fruit and veg. Oh, I can see one. It's fine, it's fine. Oh, there's one in the corner as well. Yeah, that's the plan. And then we're gonna go to university. We start uni at 10, so we're gonna get a really quick photo, get a lovely coffee. Zara wants a pastry, and then we're gonna go and spend 5 hours at university, which sounds thrilling. So we're going in. We're officially starting our 7-hour day. Yay. It's 7. 10 till 5. 7 hours. 6 if you clean a brick. So uni have provided snacks for the day. In all of our 2 years, we have never had food given to us. Oh, and I have 2 nice giant hairs on my plate. Incredible. So we're all done at uni, finished our 4.5 hours, and now we're off to Holland and Barrett because I need to get something for a campaign, and then we're going to go and do a food shop, and then where else are we going? Hope Sense! That's definitely going to the intro. Would you like me to feed you a Dorito? You're welcome. How would you describe the first day at university out of 10? First day.
Minus an option. Oh, what, today? Or like first day?
First day as in today.
I mean, it's nearly done, so let's go with an 8.
I'd say an 8. I'd say maybe a 7. I think an 8's a bit like, oh my god, great day, I think.
Okay, 7.5.
Yeah. So it was ghetto blasting in Brixton. We're off to do a food shop. We're going to go to Aldi, and then we're going to go to Home Sense, and then we're also going to go to B&Q to see if I can get some like photography backgrounds.
Basically, a retail part day out.
Exactly. we're in B&Q. We're trying to basically, well, I'm trying to wangle some offcuts of like wood benches and things that you use in like kitchens, what they're called, countertops,
Yeah.
for food photography. But I don't know if they're going to be able to give me some. I don't mind buying some. That was one of the worst experiences I've ever had in B&Q. I don't go to B&Q very often, but the staff couldn't understand that. I just wanted 2 tiles, like 2 backdrops for photos. But yeah, they were just being really unhelpful and like they just didn't want to help at all. So great. But anyway, I got 2 tiles and now we're going to HomeSense, which is becoming our second home. Basically, this is where I used to live and there's a Poundland right there, which is super handy. HomeSense is there and then right in the end there's a Starbucks, so coffee time? Oh my god. HomeSense is a place of dreams. Oh my goodness. Look at that! Oh yeah, I'm so glad you suggested this. Sip into autumn, I will do so.
I didn't even see that.
So I'm going to be a bit late for uni.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Amazing, thank you so much, cheers. Sorry, it's like bringing your child out. Out of 10, how would you rate it?
Oh my god, it's actually insane.
Do you want to try my coffee? I don't...
I'm gonna get lipstick on it.
No, it's alright, don't worry. It's quite sweet.
Ooh,
do you like it?
I like that.
Do you?
A lot.
Do you like? Do you think you'd like it more than like your normal one?
Yeah, I think I can adapt.
Adapt. We have a pumpkin spice comfort. Why am I crying? I'm emotional. I mean, this is the most Halloweeny ever.
What student?
Goes into HomeSense.
£30 on a
£30 on a rug. I mean, that's not bad to be fair, though. That isn't bad going, because HomeSense you cannot leave without buying something apparently. Every student must shop here. Now we're doing our weekly grocery shop. Woohoo! But I know what to put in your stocking. Dairy Fine Chocolate Santa for 75 pence.
a bit of me.
If you don't feel like Christmas is coming, then
Since when was this a thing?
what? Peanut butter M&Ms.
No.
This is a moderately healthy grocery shop, minus the pizza. And the 2 cakes. Yeah, there's veg underneath. Rosé, ignore that. We're back from the food shop. The camera died just as we were about to serenade you. But we're doing some chicken this evening. We've got a little bit of southern chicken going on with some flatbreads. And Zara's currently dismantling the coffee table. No.
I mean, that's a bit extreme.
Undressing the coffee table. Because we got this rug in HomeSense, which is here. It looks a bit like a throw, but yeah, we're going to get rid of this one we had. Do you want me to give you a hand? Let's move this over here.
That way?
Yeah.
Beep, 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 beep,
To you.
Oh my god. I feel so tired. It's been a long old day. I'm going to end this vlog here because I feel like I'm going to talk nothing but rubbish. What in the see? See? We've had some dinner and now we're watching the Great British Bake Off. Got a cup of tea. And the flat's looking all cosy. Sarah's outdone herself with the candles. And the rug looks very nice as well. We love it. If you've enjoyed the vlog, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And I'll catch you guys very soon with another video, I'm sure. Bye for now.